Asem kese ba na Franketis so ebusia Ghanaian artist DBlack abedin komo afa Ghanaian female artists and Ghanaian female celebrities. Na nsem a obeka no amafo che say there be DBlack has disrespected these are female celebrities. Amafo che say no. Obia were the choices. But as to what I say, DBlack as more kind a disrespect. And I say a normal no. At the end of this particular video no, obeho asma okan now also watch the wide our comment section. Hi Penyah broke the message any demo. Over like a video, no doubt over subscribe button, so click the notification icon of latest updates. I'm better watching the our comment section. Message was a young watch video money as any be ashe. It yet over Ghana, one of the one of the finest artists we have in Ghana here, DBlack won't mean in Frimo. He's such a cute, handsome, and a gentle guy. Because of his handsomeness, no, and the cuteness, no. I'm not for you be accused, in a wrong way. I'm not okay. Maybe I or no more aye program. Maybe I is no more abo show. Or no more feature on song. Or no more aye collabobia and just say this guy has chopped them. These are the voices on the street. Allegations amount for erasing against DBlack. Just say maybe a man who on Jackie only Jackie abonyom sefa woman nyina. They say I'm for like say why you woman when the shame nyina. Why you woman nyina. Emma DBlack ikran yebekaya concerning fella make free any medical and seminar. On say oh yeah cigar party be Emma fella echo Emma hono koma fella make free cigar. That issue no pop up. I'm for cry like this say oh that night no unuya area fella. Emma no cry fella ebe kire nsemu.
Recently you were in the news that you visited DBlack's club and he passed you a cigar and that also came in the news. Did you read about it?
Yes, I did.
But that was true.
I mean, that's why I said, how would that break me?
I mean, with the story surrounding it. I mean,
Oh, no, come on. Let's not disrespect DBlack and his family.
Hell no.
Yeah, no, me, not you. Not
Okay.
you. I mean, the people saying that. I don't even want to channel my energy into this thing, this whole thing, because DBlack is like a brother to me.
That's right.
That's my big brother. Come on. There were thousands of people in the club. I went there with my friends to chill, so let's not even do that.
DBlack nankasa crab be interview ebe di banke that particular incident no. Na enwechi ana DBlack ego pie na Remio a program so. Accra FM na Remio ego pie ho no mo. E ho na unya eko ya tum say oh claims a man for a work concerning him. Any sefa no enya no kre na sefa o yeni nua ba.
Most of the ladies that you sign on your label know you have an affair with them or you transact business with them by giving them to men and make money blah blah blah.
Okay, so I've heard this. This is the third time I've heard this.
Yeah.
I promise you, Sefa is my sister.
Yeah.
100%. I've never even had a fleeting thought say, oh, we need Sefa baby. When I met her, the Sefa I met is not the Sefa you guys see today.
Yeah.
I knew Sefa from 7-8 years ago.
Wow.
When she was here and she's risen. That's my sister, 100%. I don't even know anybody who has dated Sefa before.
Wow.
Yeah.
To the best of your knowledge.
Sefa is very private. I don't know anybody that's dated Sefa.
Wow.
So today.
Wow.
Nina is my sister.
Wow.
Very beautiful, very attractive.
Sefa eni nua ba. DBlack and Kasa Antos no be kire mo say oh no say oh how we nipa Ghana ni be man who say who see Ghana female celebrities obie ni wa oye ni taste. In fact say only no them na oro ho kura no ho e ma say te.
You guys, a lot of people, well, the perception of people that I can clear is people think that the people that you see around me in the clubs or partying or on social media is my type. The type of woman is very different.
No ho e ma say te. Let's say hey DBlack asem ke say na okobosi o pa tire Ghana for female celebrities no o pa tire o mu say o pa say o mu ho na enye fe ana say den asem wasem pa na say e mu na unu e tire mu say oh nya say o mu ho nya fe but oh no ne spec ne type of ema ope ma o mu ye natural enye o mo ma hye mu more aye yo mo tu akutu ya twitwi makeup mu bi da bi.
You see the mother of my kids. She's a doctor.
Oh, okay.
She's on Share News Canada.
Wow.
I'm very into the traditional woman. That's a perception that if you say me a certain flashy or maybe a superstar or somebody in the public eye. No, I like the opposite. Very quiet, calm, collected. Professionals. I'm attracted to like nurse, doctor, soldier, police.
Like
professional.
the career woman.
Yeah, that's what I'm attracted to. Very simple in the corner, not too out there.
Wow.
That's the type of woman that I've always been into. So that's a perception that people feel like, and I've never touched anybody that I've signed ever.
Wow. When you say touch, what does it mean? Sexually.
Sexually, yeah. Never ever.
We are proud of you.
Amen.
Because it's not easy to manage a female musician.
Thing is, I don't manage the female artist. I don't manage any artist. There's always somebody that's managing the artist on my behalf. So I'm not doing the day-to-day, the running around, seeing the person every day. There's people who do that. So I'm not an artist manager per se.
Yeah. You are a record label owner.
Yes.
Okay. Now we're signing rules in my mouth. Yeah. What is it with you with South Africa? And maybe Madame for be a South African.
The power of.
Now, lady no. Well, Madame for and bon come up. And then who said follow. Nam yem shimmy.
Actually, you see the question you asked?
Yeah.
That what country have I traveled to? It's South Africa. It is South Africa. Ansana.
I want to show you the lady. Say what's your name person that Afie, this girl. You follow her and she follows you on.
Maybe it's a different name. This is Facebook, right?
Yeah, this one is Facebook.
Maybe
you follow her, she follows you on IG.
Oh yeah.
She's my friend.
Yeah, I know.
To me, who self follow them? Say, hey, I know I did, but actually I'm Caso. And you will be our following be Anna. Like,
I mean, it was a machine that book.
Yeah. Or catch him say, Mushiadaba, she just advanced you from my phone.
Philomena.
Yeah. Money didn't be able to follow me. Yeah. Am I wrong? Why? Am I wrong? We shall be well.
Debbie, on piano. Emma, and I wrote me credit to this on the crown. Up your bow, so you're natural.
But that is true. So be out your pay. Me too. I also have what I want.
What's your spec?
Well, like you said, me so me people be too much artificial. I mean, makeup will be more retinting.
Yeah,
I want natural face. Me petri wege kura be me petri na just use a natural hair.
Push.
Sana me pe, and I me pe the outing type be so. The loud type so me pe oba on the namfufu ye be. Because of that, I was talking to a lady be. Check a crap. Me can cringe say me pe wasem, but I can't move with you because of said the no say me of the same I'm church no. I say, oh, how do I change? Now you can't change because that's your style. We can be very good friends. I don't have a problem, and that's the truth. I won't fake. Because I don't feel comfortable. Until be an idiot pay. Until sanity. Until obusa me say until sano or the machine me use. Now me say no so me use.
Oh, using the able to be used for recreational purpose.
But who's the use it was that you like who you see pay? No, they are better. Then they mean use. But me use so dia and they say agreement ni adwuma. Me pardons for you. Sina bi wa go gina ba bia me ka say ai na na kra use me no problem. I know what wahala bia.
Artificial Chinese made they won't pay China product pay a fruit Australian ponens from nature. What I say from nature. After this conversation, only must say TGM, that is Teresa Ghana Music Awards, almost at the nomination list about out. DBlack ever share an opinion on that. Nipa or expect say artist of the year no nomination obey me Abemono or share any view on that.
Ghana Music Awards afui baso TGMA. Now artist of the year now. I don't know.
I was thinking about it yesterday.
It looks like a bit more say looking at the standard, no. I say in year out, no. I'm for next year say standard no drop it because almost say one list now artist of the year, no. This is not the Ghana we know. And I'm say, how?
Because gospel,
I don't know, And I'm say why? I say you never perform. The way you never perform. I don't know. Generally, how do you see that the nominations this year?
to be honest with you, I have nothing to complain about apart from I asked why Kimbalutas Makoma was not there, and
we are yet to know.
Yeah, and then also even though I went online, I went to look, I saw that it was released in November or December. The song Kojo Black Kelvin Boy.
Yeah, that song. Yeah, excellent.
Yeah. So I also don't know why, because
and
I
also,
think the calendar years
it falls within, right?
Yeah, I think the cutoff point is December, unless they didn't submit it and decided to submit it for next year.
I think they did,
which is something that I would do.
But what Kevin Boy is saying, the guy did. But other people are also saying he's a new artist, so he needs to start from unsung. And I'm saying,
you don't always have to start.
Yeah, you don't always have to.
Sarkodie didn't start from unsung. I didn't start from unsung. EL didn't start from. So many people didn't start from unsung. I don't think Kwame even started from unsung.
Oh, Kiddy.
Yeah.
Even this guy, Blacko
didn't start from
he jumped straight. Yeah. But yes, they need to.
But if he's in unsung, I think he stands a very good chance of just being a winner.
But the unsung, is he there? Did you guys?
They haven't released unsung.
The unsung is
unsung is going on.
I'm sure the unsung he might be there.
Yeah, I think unsung is like you said, public opinion and votes, and he has.
Okay, unsung is different from new artists, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think unsung, they haven't announced unsung.
Okay. How about new artists?
He's not in. Is he a new artist? Yeah.
So this conversation, Anna DBlack and Nana Rim, Echo halfway. I'm all for claiming say, as someone can find Ghana female celebrities, a total disrespect. I'm all for a respect, Obia, Ewan choices. What as our viewership? What is your view on this? Chirawa Mame, Ewa comment session. I hype in your blog media.